And away they go, 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 Snake, go, Snake, go. Pass to begin, moving up on the outside. Tabel, Queen Maker is running by the rail. Then racing in port, Brave Lorky, Seeing Lorky. Next on line, Ilocos Magic, Doña Estrella, and Star Quality is the early trailer. Now we have Queen Maker, takes the lead. Then on the outside is go, go, Snake. Go, Snake, go. A length back in third, Tabel. Moving up now to take port, Seeing Lorky. Brave Lorky, sorry, outside Pipa. Then next on line, Ilocos Magic, Doña Estrella, and Star Quality. We have go, go, Snake, go, go, Snake, by Oralenka. Tabel moving up, down on the inside now is Seeing Lorky. We've got go, go, Snake, go, Snake, go, by about 3 for Oralenka. Tabel Lizari outside. Seeing Lorky is racing in third. Queen Maker, Brave Lorky moving up. Ilocos Magic. And it's still go, go, Snake, go. And on the outside, Tabel. Seeing Lorky is down on the inside. As they come down to the last 150. Go, go, Snake, go, Snake, go. By Elenka. Running by the Seeing Lorky. But it's still go, go, Snake, go, Snake, go by Ravenka. The Seeing Lorky is running by the rail and hitting the finish line. Go, go, Snake, go, Snake, go. Second is Seeing Lorky. Tabel.
Yun, yung mahaba ang pangalan ang nanalo.